Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Today, we're diving into a topic that could literally make you thousands of dollars, if not tens of thousands, over your investing lifetime. We're talking about how to pick the right platforms for your investments. And trust me, this could be a game changer for you. Whether you're a seasoned pro already managing a 6 or even 7-figure portfolio, or you're just starting out, this video will give you the tips you need to maximize your profits and minimize risks. Let's get into it. First up, user experience and interface. If you're going to use a platform, you want it to be smooth, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Imagine trying to make an investment on a platform that's clunky or confusing. You know, the kind of app where you have to click 5 times just to find your account balance. It's just a headache waiting to happen. No one wants that. The last thing you need when you're trying to buy or sell an asset is a confusing interface. You want to be able to make quick decisions, especially in a volatile market, and a clunky platform can really slow you down. Make sure the platform you choose has a clean, user-friendly design. Think about it. You're going to be spending a lot of time on this platform, so it might as well be enjoyable to use, right? A good user interface can actually make investing less intimidating, especially for beginners. It's like the difference between driving a beat-up old car versus a brand new Tesla. Both will get you from point A to point B, but the experience is night and day. Take a look at apps like Robinhood or Webull. They're known for being very user-friendly, even for someone who's never invested before. On the other hand, some of the more traditional brokerage platforms can feel a bit outdated and clunky. And don't forget about mobile. These days, you want a platform that has a great mobile app so you can manage your investments from anywhere. Because let's be real, no one wants to be chained to their desktop computer in 2023. So when you're choosing your investment platform, download a few different apps, try out their free versions if they have them, and see which interface you vibe with the most. Remember, investing shouldn't feel like a chore, it should be empowering. Next, let's talk about fees and costs. Look, we all know that investing isn't free. Every business needs to make money somehow, but some platforms charge a lot more than others, and those fees can eat into your returns like crazy. You'll want to check for things like commission fees, you know, the fee you pay every time you buy or sell a stock. Back in the day, these used to be like $10 a trade, which is insane. Nowadays, a lot of platforms offer zero commission trading, which is a total game changer. But don't assume every platform is commission-free. Always double-check. Then there are withdrawal fees. Some platforms will charge you a fee just to take your money out. It's like they're saying, oh, you want your money back? That'll be $5, please. Avoid these platforms like the plague, and don't forget about account maintenance fees. These are fees that some platforms charge just for having an account open, even if you're not actively trading. It's like paying rent on an apartment you never even live in. These fees might seem small, maybe a few dollars here and there, but they can add up big time over the long run. Think about it. Even just $5 a month in fees is $60 a year. That's $60 that could be invested and growing for you. So, when you're comparing platforms, pay close attention to the fee structure. Look for platforms that are transparent about their fees and don't try to hide them in the fine print. Remember, every dollar you save on fees is another dollar that goes towards growing your wealth. It might seem like a small detail, but trust me, it makes a huge difference in the long run. Now, let's talk about security and regulation. And guys, this is a big one. You need to make sure the platform you're investing on is secure and trustworthy because you're going to be entrusting them with your hard-earned money. You want a platform that has top-notch security measures in place to protect your information and your investments from hackers and cyber threats. Imagine waking up one morning to find out that your account had been hacked and your money was gone. It's a nightmare scenario, but it happens more often than you think. That's why it's so important to choose a platform that takes security seriously. Look for platforms that offer two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security to your account, and make sure the platform uses encryption to protect your data when you're making transactions. Another important thing to consider is regulation. Is the platform regulated by a reputable government body like the SEC or FINRA? These organizations have strict rules and regulations in place to protect investors so you can have peace of mind knowing that your money is safe. Think of it like this. Would you rather store your money in a bank that's insured by the FDIC or in your mattress at home? The answer is obvious, right? The same logic applies to investment platforms. Platforms like Coinbase, Robinhood, and Vanguard have been around for a while and are regulated by government bodies. These platforms have been vetted and audited to ensure your investments are safe and sound. Remember, when it comes to your money, you can never be too careful. So do your research, read reviews, and make sure you're comfortable with the platform's security and regulatory compliance before you invest a single dollar. And lastly, let's talk about diversification and investment options. It's important to pick a platform that gives you access to different types of investments because, as they say, you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. Imagine you put all your money into one single stock and then that stock tanks. It's a recipe for disaster. But if you've diversified your portfolio across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and even crypto, then even if one investment does poorly, the others can help cushion the blow. That's why it's so important to choose an investment platform that gives you access to a wide range of investment options. Some platforms specialize in certain types of investments, like stocks or options, while others offer a more comprehensive selection. Think about your investment goals and risk tolerance. Are you a young investor with a high risk tolerance who's looking to maximize your returns, even if that means taking on more volatility? Or are you closer to retirement and looking for more stable income-producing investments? Once you have a good understanding of your investment goals, you can start to narrow down your choices and choose a platform that aligns with your needs. And remember, diversification isn't just about what types of investments you own. It's also about when you buy them. Instead of trying to time the market and buy all at once, consider using a strategy called dollar cost averaging. With dollar cost averaging, you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market conditions. This helps to reduce your risk by ensuring that you are not buying all of your investments at the market's peak. It's like buying a stock on sale. So, when you're evaluating investment platforms, ask yourself, does this platform offer the types of investments that I'm interested in? Does it allow me to diversify my portfolio effectively? And does it provide me with the tools and resources I need to make informed investment decisions? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your favorite investment platform. What's worked for you? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Remember, choosing the right investment platform is one of the most important decisions you'll make as an investor. It can literally make or break your financial future. So take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.